Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and I'm up here in St. Augustine, and we're going to check out the Christmas lights, and let's see how they look. Hey little buddy. Hi. How are you? Would you like a pet? Oh, you're so sweet. This is just a lens cap, but would you like a pet? I don't have anything for you, little buddy. Aww.
Get hit by a car?
Get hit by a car? No. We're just walking up on the pretty lights here, but not getting hit by a car. Thank you everybody for watching. That was just a little view here of the Night of Lights here in St. Augustine. Wasn't a whole bunch, wasn't a super intensive video, but hey, walked around, might as well bring my camera.